All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is day 8 of the custom keto review diet. So, without further ado, we're going to get right to what we had to eat today again. So, for breakfast, this was just the traditional bacon and eggs. So, on the website, this is the lovely picture that you see here on the left from the website. And then here's what we did over here. So we had the bacon, and I don't really like sunny side up eggs. I like scrambled eggs. So we made some scrambled eggs, and I also like peppers and onions in my eggs, so we kind of threw that in there. So that's our version of it, but here's what it looks like on the website. It's classic bacon and eggs. For lunch, we had one of our favorites, the keto coleslaw. Um, really good, really tasty. And it's just cooked ham, shredded cabbage, some scallions, some mayo, some mustard, some apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of salt. So the website kind of tells you how to put all that together. This is the picture from the website on the left, and here's our version here on the right. So again, very tasty, very good. Always love this one. For dinner, we just had classic chicken and green beans. So this is just what we ended up doing. Chicken thighs. We baked some chicken thighs, and then we just had some green beans go along with it. So nice healthy meal. And then for our snack, one of our favorites from the website is the microwave lemon cheesecake. So, and we always throw some whipped cream on top. But so that's what we had for our snack. And I didn't do a weigh-in. Didn't do a weigh-in yesterday or today. The website calls for weekly weigh-ins. I've been doing it way more often than that. So I'm going to do a weigh-in tomorrow just to kind of see where I'm at, and we'll go from there. But again, liking the results that I've seen so far, really liking all the different food choices. I really like the variety. And I'm finding, my favorite meals that I like to cook. So you'll see some repeats here because I just really like those meals. But I'm going to continue to kind of be adventurous and try all the different meals and explore and, see what the website offers. So if you found value in this video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out more about the custom keto diet, click the link below, and hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.